To look at the phrases diversity and inclusion, you have to separate them. They mean two different things. For us, diversity, of course, means literally who we have in the building and the different backgrounds they have and all the talents they bring. But when you talk about inclusion, we're talking about something that's a bit different. We're talking about whether people really feel they can bring their full selves to work, whether they feel that they're being integrated and have every opportunity they can have within the firm, and whether we're really maximizing our talent, quite frankly, for the benefit of our clients by having a diverse array of viewpoints incorporated in the work that we do. Mintz 11 measures progress on diversity in a couple different ways. As many law firms do, we obviously look at what our profile looks like from year to year. We measure how we have retained our associates of color, our women, our LGBT attorneys. But we also look at, as a best practice, what we can do based off the markets that we serve. So that means looking at all of our offices on the East and West Coast, looking at those industries that are developing, looking at the new initiatives that we have, really digging down and seeing what we can do to maximize that. Mintz 11's commitment to diversity is really ingrained in our firm culture. And because of that, it goes beyond just looking at what the face of the firm is. It goes to a couple of things that, quite frankly, the legal profession can do better at, which is if you look at from not just the recruitment, the retention, but if you look at from our operating perspective, who's leading things within the firm? How does it integrate within our business development initiatives? How are we grooming the next level of partners in the firm? How are we looking at the diverse practice groups and industry groups that we operate? How do our clients and contractors, from everyone from our relationships with court reporters, external consultants and things like that, how are we benefiting from our diverse connections with those people that we work with? And if you actually integrate that as kind of a holistic diversity review, you actually have a more ingrained diversity commitment as a firm.